The in-home fitness solution is here with the SF-RW 5515 magnetic rowing machine. The efficient footprint design does not require a lot of space, making this a perfect machine for any home. Magnetic resistance can make a workout fun and satisfying. Vary your workouts with the 8 levels of resistance. Rowing machines use over 80% of the body's skeletal muscle. Virtually no impact is placed on the body, reducing the amount of stress on the joints. The digital monitor calculates your workout gains and losses. The fully padded seat and non-slip grip handlebar provides optimal comfort, support, and performance for those long-duration workouts. Large anti-slip pivoting foot pedals allow for increased range of motion for more efficient strokes. The slide rail is smooth and quiet, and the length can accommodate many heights. Storage is simple with the foldable design and integrated transportation wheels. Once you start, you won't stop with the SF-RW 5515 magnetic rowing machine.
Concept 2 Model D and Model E rowers both provide the same great full-body workout. The Model E sits taller and makes it easy to get on and off for those with limited flexibility or mobility. The rowing stroke is the same on both ergs. If you close your eyes, you can't tell which one you are on. The Performance Monitor 5 makes it easy to track your progress with reliable, repeatable workout data. On the Model E, data is always close at hand with the long, fixed Performance Monitor arm. The Model D is our best-selling rower, offering dependable performance at the best price. For storage, the adjustable Model D monitor arm can be tucked away. Both rowers easily separate for compact storage and require little maintenance.
Row, sweat, and stay strong with the SF-RW 1205 rowing machine. Prepare for an excellent full-body workout. Lower and middle back leading to better toning, strength, balance, and posture. The sliding rower incline provides for an excellent cardiovascular workout and improves joint mobility to your knees, hips, shoulders, and elbows. Set goals on your easy-to-read digital monitor. Anti-slip foot plates come with adjustable straps for secure footing. The hydraulic cylinder provides 12 resistance levels. Stay challenged for both your lower and upper body. Ergonomically padded seat and cushioned non-slip grip handlebars offer plenty of comfort and support. Achieve your fitness goals today with the Sunny Health and Fitness SF-RW 1205.
Let's get right into it. 3, 2, 1.
The ProForm 750R rower brings a personal trainer into your home.
Welcome to the Shred and Burn Rowing Program.
iFit is personal coaching, virtual classes, destination workouts, and programs expertly crafted by the most professional and engaging trainers on the planet.
Starting now. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Resistance is up there.
Cardio and strength in one sleek package. The sophisticated small footprint of the ProForm 750R rower is perfect for any space. Enjoy the ultimate workout as your trainer automatically adjusts the resistance of your rower to give you real results.
Feel the muscles in your back. Feel those muscles in your legs. Let's work.
Make your workout easier and more efficient by having your personal trainer right in front of you as you work out.
Push. Set it up. Step it back. Push.
Bring your smartphone or tablet to see beautiful sights as you follow trainers around the world. Or experience some of the best rowing classes on the planet. Achieve your fitness goals at home with interactive personal training from ProForm.
You crushed that one. Let's keep the momentum going. I'll see you next time.
Challenge your muscular and cardiovascular endurance with the natural movement of the water rowing machine by Sunny Health and Fitness. Strap into the securing plates and grip the sweat-resistant handlebar as you propel yourself back and forth with the smooth belt drive. Recreate the sensation of outdoor rowing as you power the 4 high-performance blades through the adjustable water tank for a full-body workout experience like no other. Developed with your comfort in mind, the oversized padded seat provides a soft, secure ride, reducing the uncomfortable feeling of muscle tingling and tailbone pressure as you build up to longer and more intense workouts. Feel safe and secure with the adjustable floor stabilizers. Constructed with a durable frame and a smooth, full-length aluminum rail, this rower can handle intense workouts performed by users who weigh up to 265 pounds. Track your workout performance using the battery-powered display. View your distance, time, stroke count, and total calories burned while rowing. Transforming your home into your own personal fitness studio is effortless with the convenient transportation wheels and foldable slide rail design. Create an unparalleled workout with the Water Rowing Machine by Sunny Health and Fitness.
Hi athlete, I'm your iFit coach for today. Let's go and do it. This is quite an intense workout. I'm excited to be doing this with you today. So we're moving our stroke rate up.
A little bit of resistance.
What have you been working for? What are you fighting for? Put it into this push.
Good, we're in our training zone. Nothing's gonna knock us off.
Watch me now as we transition to the floor. Bring it down. Keep going. Bringing the knee across the body, forward with the left. Come on down. Drive up top. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's move. Let it all out there. Almost done. You got less than 10 seconds. I know it's a tough one. And just staying loose in the arms as well.
Intensity was through the roof. I'm so proud of you, that muscle burn.
I'm your iFit coach. Let's get to it.
Keep your workouts fresh and challenging with the SF RW 5639 Full Motion Rowing Machine. High-quality steel frame has a weight capacity up to 350 pounds to handle the toughest of workouts. Smooth, sturdy slide rail is long enough to accommodate a powerful leg drive motion. The full motion arms will allow more range of motion like rowing in the water. This requires more muscle activation, making this a more efficient workout. Accomplish more in less time. Increase the resistance with the convenient knob located under the side rail. The LCD digital monitor will accurately keep track of your workout progress. High-performance, sweat-resistant rubber hand grips keep your hands in place with every push and pull. Textured slip-resistant foot pedals accommodate all foot sizes. Adjustable foot straps for secure footing. Pivoting feature increases the range of motion in the leg drive action. Large padded seat provides comfort and support. Stay motivated in reaching your fitness goals with the SF RW 5639 Full Motion Rowing Machine.